minutes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. On va faire une photo de groupe, c'est ça? Et après on vous laissera là. Ah.
Les trophées.
Merci beaucoup. On va vous laisser
I do it in English. Is it a problem? So first of all, thank you to you for hosting us. And it is a pleasure to hear and ring the bell in such a way. Something about ourselves. I started this company 32 years ago, and I had already a dream in my mind, which was to be able to help our client to attack all the problem in their value chain in a comprehensive way. And then at the beginning we were very small, and especially Italian, so it was not easy to grow and develop. But then via organic growth, via merger acquisition, we could grow, and today the company is multinational. We are in 35 countries. Is recognized. We have many of the first 1,000 companies in the global market, so we have very high qualified clients. And we have a recognized methodology, which is proven and very strong. And we have a good market reputation. In a way, the dream that I got is, let's say, achieved. But in fact, we are still very hungry and ambitious. And we want to grow more. We have a plan to become double the size we have today. And also, the situation of the market of today, the environment is different. So the dream also been changing. And in 2007, we combined two different concepts, and we wanted to be a company able to deliver strategy, change management, operational excellence in the same offering. And we started, and we did it, and it is very effective. And recently there was an article from Kennedy Research. Kennedy Research is a relevant party making research in the consulting business. And they said strategies developed by consultants must also include plans for a transformation that will apply rapid results and faster return. Failure is not an option when the investment is large. So clients tend to think of implementation and strategy together. And this is what we are doing since 2007. Every day is the way we think, is our culture. So we are very much in line with the current, let's say, need of the client. And there are other differences in the market today. For example, the clients are stronger, especially if you have good companies as clients, and they want to be the owner of what they do. So we don't want to be called too much consultant. We like to be called something different. For example, mentors, people that are able to work with the client and get out from them the power. And to be good at mentoring, you need to have a special setup. And we develop a special, let's say, way of working with the client. And to support this way, we have a strong barrier. We have developed a system for research and development. We develop and we research about how to help the client to change, how to help the client to become more competitive. And this is a big asset. Has a lot of history, but also today we are very fast. With change organization, we have what we call knowledge group, which are continuously integrating new concepts. And this is also the way we develop the people the way we need. We don't need different people from other consulting, and we need to develop our people in such a way. And our client, they see this. For example, one important client in France said that we are like them, but different. We find new ideas, and we are able to create the condition for this idea to be realized without, let's say, frictions or tensions in the organization. So I think this is a capability that we have, which is specific to us, and which for us is a, let's say, a competitive capability. Then in terms of result, we say, first of all, we deliver real result. Second, we deliver result at the global level. So we are able to do the same project, to bring the same system, the same culture, the same behaviors in different places in the world. Okay, clear the cultural differences, there are local differences that should take into account, but the company can benefit from one management system. And one client, which is a Dutch company, they declare, and they wrote in the press, that they gain every year 47 millions because for the way they can manage the managers moving across different units, the speed they don't lose when there are changes, etc. So another client, which is a big French company, they declare that they got 2.1 billion savings from our program in the, let's say, in their operational area. So result for sure is an asset, and not our result, are the result of the client, but we are there to create the condition to get the result faster and in a seamless way. So first semester we have been growing 20%. From the beginning of the year we got 49 new clients, which for us is a significant number. We have clients which are expanding the activities to more units, etc. So for the moment we see a positive outlook, and we are very much convinced that the model is good and we need to push further. Why we are stock exchange? Because we see the stock exchange as an ally to become a leading company, a leading player in consulting at the international level. We need financial means, and the stock exchange can be a way for us to have these financial means. We moved from Euronext to Alternext, and we move because we see that in Alternext we don't feel at home, and I think that here we will feel at home, something more similar to us, more flexible, simpler, more in line with what we need and what, let's say, we are. I'm confident that not this week, but in the near future, our effort and our, let's say, result will go into the share value, because this is at the end of the story what we need. So thank you again, and I want to thank you all the investors that have been traveling with us this journey, and I hope we can have more investors in the future. Thank you.